G'day people, welcome back to the lab. Do you have a JBL Tuner 2? Is it doing strange things or a little bit buggy? Well, today I'm going to show you how to reset the Tuner 2. All you have to do is make sure your Tuner 2 is turned on and then press your Bluetooth and your DAB button at the same time. Hold it down for a couple of seconds, then release. The Tuner 2 will restart back to its original settings, and even better, it will not clear your saved stations. We are all done. If you want more information about the JBL Tuner 2, check in the description down below for other videos. Also, if you're interested in repairing other stuff yourself, check out the rest of our channel. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Other than that, we'll see you next time in the lab.